Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get 144 FPS and refresh rate for Hunt Showdown. And to do this, first let's open our Windows settings, and right here we want to go for the display. Then there's advanced display settings, and here's a choose refresh rate. Make sure that you're using 143.98 Hertz. Then we can move to our graphics card settings. I'm using NVIDIA GeForce, so in this case we're gonna open a NVIDIA control panel, then go for the display and choose adjust desktop size and position. Here make sure that you also have a 144 refresh rate. Then we can finally move to Hunt Showdown, and to do that open it in your Steam, because I guess you're having it right here. Then when you're inside the game, you can click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and move to the graphics. Right here you'll find the let me find it real quick, VSync and max FPS, and we want to choose the option we want to go for, which is 144. You can also activate a VSync, and then when everything is set, click on apply. Now let's jump into the game so you can actually see that I have the performance that we're looking for. Now if you look closely to the top right corner of my screen, you can see FPS, which is 144, and that is what we're looking for. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.